students, in the previous class we learned to construct quadrilaterals when all four sides and one diagonal is given. Now today we are going to learn how to construct a quadrilateral when three sides and two diagonals are given. Let us see first one example. There is a quadrilateral ABCD in which the three sides are given. So let us write the name of the quadrilateral is ABCD. Okay, where the measurements of some of the sides are given. AB is not given, but BC is given. BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then CD is given 5 centimeter. AD is given 5.5 centimeter, and then two diagonals are given. Which are the two diagonals? AC and BD. So AC is given 5.5 centimeter and BD is given 7 centimeter. Now let us see how to construct it. As you all know, whenever you get some construction work, the first thing is draw a rough diagram. So let us draw a rough diagram. This is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now AB is not given, so BC is 4.5, CD is 5 centimeter, AD is 5.5, and then AC is the diagonal, that is also 5.5, and the next diagonal BD is 7 centimeter. So this is your rough diagram. So you can start with any. If you want to start with a diagonal, you can start with the diagonal. If you want to start with BC, you can start with BC. So let us start with BC first. So I am going to take BC. See here, BC is 4.5. You see here, this is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. So I have drawn 4.5 centimeter B and C. Now you have to find out the points A and D. So if you think of D, D is 5 centimeter away from C and 7 centimeter away from B. So let us take from C 5.5 centimeter. So in the compass you take 5.5 centimeter. Take 5.5. From where is 5.5? It is 5 centimeter. Sorry. From C it is 5 centimeter. So take 5 centimeter in the compass. And from where is it 5 centimeter? See, from C it is 5 centimeter. So from C draw a big arc. Okay. And then from B it is 7 centimeter. So let us take 7 centimeter. I am taking 7 centimeter in the compass. You see 7 centimeter. And from where is it 7 centimeter? From B it is 7 centimeter. So the pointer is on B and cut the arc on the first arc to get the point D. This is the point D. So we will join C to D, and also our diagonal is B to D. So that also if you draw one by one, you won't get confused. Otherwise so many points you will get confused. Okay. So you got these 2 points. Now this is BC is 4.5 centimeter, and then you have CD which is 5 centimeter, and then you have BD which is 7 centimeter. Now you have to find out the point A, which is 5.5 centimeter away from both the points. So let us take 5.5 in the compass, and you see it is from A and from C, it is from D and C, both it is 5.5. So we will draw 5.5 centimeter here, and from D also you will take 5.5. So we got the point A, and then join A to A to D and A to B, and this is 5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, and also this point is A. So, AC is also 5.5. So, this is 5.5. Okay. So, the diagram is ready. Now, you have to write the steps of constructions. Now, let us see exercise 4.2. The first question is construct quadrilateral LIFT, where LI is equal to 4 centimeter, IF 3 centimeter, TL 2.5 centimeter, LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter, IT 4 centimeter. So, first of all we have to draw the rough diagram as given here. Now, what is the first thing that you have to do? The first thing is draw 4 centimeter line segment of 4 centimeter. So, let us draw first 4 centimeter LI. LI 4 centimeter. So, mark it LI, which is 4 centimeter. Now, take 2.5 from L. So, 2.5 from L. If you take and cut an arc, so you feel that somewhere here on this arc T is there, and from I it is 4 centimeter. So, take 4 centimeter and from I cut another arc. So, this point is T. So, join T to L and T to I. You need to take care of the points, right? Now, what we have to do? We got, which is that point which we got now? T. Okay, so we got TLI. Now, we need to find the point F, and we know that point F is 4.5 centimeter from L. So, take 4.5 centimeter on the compass, and from L it is 4.5. So, with L as center, draw one arc, and from I it is 3 centimeter. So, take 3 centimeter and from I draw another arc. So, you got the point F. So, here lift is getting ready. So, this is F. So, LIFT lift. Now, label all the sides. 3 centimeter. Here this line segment is remaining. So, draw that, and that is 4.5 centimeter. This one is 4 centimeter and this part is 2.5 centimeter. So, the quadrilateral lift is ready. Now, write the steps by your own. Now, let us see question number 2. Construct a quadrilateral GOLD, GOLD, with the measures OL 7.5 centimeter, LD 5 centimeter, DG 6 centimeter, DG or GD both are same, LD 5 centimeter and OD is 10 centimeter. So, again here whichever side you want to draw, you can draw, or if you wish you can draw this line first. So, I am going to draw that line first. This time let us draw GL 6 centimeter. Okay. So, GL is 6 centimeter. I told you that time also, if you wish to draw from diagonal, you can do that first. GL 6 centimeter. Now, from GL, you see from G 6 centimeter and from L 5 centimeter distance if you take, you will get the point D. So, what we will do? First, we will take five centimeter. From where it is 5 centimeter? From L. So, from L, draw a 5 centimeter arc, and from G it is 6 centimeter. So, take 6 centimeter, and from G it is 6 centimeter. Draw an arc. So, wherever they met, that point is D. So, join that to G and L. Now, children, for naming the quadrilateral, if you want your names or any, there is no strict rule that you should use ABCD like that. Okay, any material's name, even your name can be used. So, we got GL and D. Now, to find O, you see from O, D is 10 centimeter away. So, from D we have to take 10 centimeter, and from L we have to take 7.5. Now, we know how to draw the lower part of the quadrilateral, that is from D to O it is 10 centimeter and L to O it is 7.5 centimeter. So, let us take first 7.5 from L to O. So, what we will do? Keep it on L and draw one arc. Okay. And from D it is 10 centimeter. So, take 10 centimeter. How to take 10 centimeter? You see, the first point should be on 0 and this should be on 10, and from D, pointer should be on D and cut the first arc. Now, see, if it is not cutting, what you have to do? The first arc should be made longer, that is, keep it here and you need to extend this. So, you got the point here as, which point is this? O. Okay. After getting the point O, which is 10 centimeter away from D and 7.5 centimeter away from L, what we will do? We have to join them. We need to join G to O and G to L. I will show you. Now, you see, we have joined G to O and O to L. So, our gold GOLD, gold is ready with both the diagonals, OD measuring 10 centimeter, GL measuring 6 centimeter, the sides OL 7.5 centimeter, the other side LD is 5 centimeter and GD is 6 centimeter. So, what you have to do now? Write the complete steps for construction. Now, question number 3, that is a rhombus. What is a rhombus? What are the special features of a rhombus? Rhombus has got all 4 sides equal, and here the 4 sides are not given, only the diagonals are given. So, what is the special property of the diagonals of a rhombus? Yes, the diagonals of rhombus intersect each other or bisect each other perpendicularly. That means, they cut each other at 90 degree, at the same time they make 2 equal parts. So, what I have done here is, I have drawn one line segment. What are the 2 diagonals given here? One is ED or DE 6.5 and BN 5.6. So, I have just drawn 6.5 centimeter, that is ED. ED 6.5. Now, we know that the other diagonal will bisect it perpendicularly. So, what we will do? We will draw a perpendicular bisector of this line segment. Okay, how to make it perpendicular bisector you have learned. Take more than half and with each end point as center, draw arc to meet each other. So, wherever the arc meet, you join them, you will get the perpendicular bisectors. You got it, perpendicular bisectors. Now, the diagonal is 5.6. This diagonal bisects at 5.6. So, each part will be equal to 5.6 upon 2. How much is 5.6 upon 2? It is 2.8. So, what we will do is on the scale, take 2.8 centimeter in the compass. 2.8 is only 2 small unit away from 3. Okay. And then from this center point, wherever they met, cut on both the sides. Okay. So, we get the point which are equidistant from the center point, which is 2.8 centimeter away. Now, join this point to that particular point. Okay. Now, we have joined the points to this ED and this is, what is the name? Bend. So, it will be BEND. So, this is ED is 6.5 centimeter and this one will be 5.6 centimeter. See children, only two diagonals are given. We have learned that when the properties, when no sides are given, we need to use the property. So, what is the property that we used here? The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other perpendicularly. So, here from here to here and from here to here, the length will be equal. Similarly, this two length from here to here and here to here, it will be equal. So, here also you need to write the statement yourself. So, today we learned about construction of quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given or using some special properties. In the next class, we will learn some more ways of construction of quadrilaterals. That's all for today. Thank you.